Hey, welcome to the channel today. It's a little different today. We're going to be cooking on our Blackstone, and we're going to be making some Philly cheesesteak and chicken cheesesteak taquitos. So let's check this out and see if it will work. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and put down some of our vegetables. We're going to put down the peppers, and we're going to put down the onions. We pre-chopped all this and got it together. We did put a little oil on here. We did bring up the Blackstone to about 300 degrees, give or take a little. And it does cook at that. So since we're using chicken, we're going to go ahead and put down our chicken now, since it takes a little longer to cook. Over here on the side, we're going to go ahead and put that in there, get that going. And this has all been cut up really fine, enough that it will cook up really, really well. And we like our veggies cooked a little longer, so therefore we went ahead and put that on there first. The food itself. So today we're using Meat Church's Holy Voodoo, and this stuff is really, really, really good. So we're going to put a little of the seasoning on there. This stuff is so good. Okay, we got our vegetables over here, our onions and peppers, and we have our chicken pretty well cooked because that takes the longest. What we're going to do now is go ahead and put a little oil down here on the Blackstone. It is up to temp. And we're going to go ahead and put down the steak. And this is ribeye is what we're using. Go ahead and get it, start cooking, because it doesn't take very long. And again, we're going to be using some Meat Church Voodoo spice. We found that the Meat Church product is real good, and we really like it. So we're going to cook this here and get it real good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the cheese in here. We have Gouda and provolone, and we want to mix that up. We got some onions and peppers in here, and let that start mixing together. And we're going to come over here to the chicken and do the same. Start mixing that up and let that start melting in there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put these down, and these corn tortillas, and we're going to get them where they're warm and they're pliable so that they will roll. We just need them warm enough, you know, so that they'll roll, so that we can make these roll together with our ingredients inside. And what we're doing is we put some steak in here, and we're putting the cheese on the outside and rolling them up, hoping that that will be pliable enough and to stick when we put them on the grill to get them fried. And that's what the hope would be there. The chicken and the onion going together here. We're putting some cheese on the outside, but you can make a paste as well to make them stick, but we're going to use cheese, and the griddle should hold them together. As you can see, we oiled up the Blackstone, and now we have them frying here. We're going to let them set. We're going to let that cheese melt in, and then we're going to continue to turn them. Have the fire up pretty high here. Okay, so we turned them over on the first turn here. As you can see, they're starting to crisp up a little bit. And what we're going to do is continue to turn them on each side so that we get them evenly crisp. And we're on side number 3. And as you can see, they're starting to crisp up really nicely there. So we just keep working them. And I know it's going to be good. Okay, so we're on our 4th side. As you can see, we are just about ready.